everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you what I created by doing crochet. Because it's crochet and I really don't have it all down yet, I cannot make a step-by-step DIY on this. I needed some props for a baby photo shoot for my baby niece, and this is what I came up with. I made this really nice cute crown. I've never done one before, so it came out really pretty. I also went ahead and made some shoes for her. She needed some shoes to match the outfit. She already had the dress, and I made a matching headband. Now, crochet is super easy if you really take the time to learn it. I decided and make Mrs. Potts and chip cup. This was the hardest project I've ever done with crochet, but it was really fun and I learned a lot. I also wanted to find a way to incorporate the enchanted rose with crochet, and this is what I came up with. It doesn't look bad at all. I made a crochet rose, some leaves. I wrapped some yarn around a metal wire that I found at Dollar Tree, glued it onto the base. I did make an individual rose just for an extra prop. This is how it all looks together. It's really cute. I'm very happy with the outcome. Now, I found this book at a thrift store and it just went right with the theme. She looked very adorable in all of the items, and of course her dress. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.